We are living in times where divorce takes place every 36 seconds. Men are not taking their rightful place as leaders and women as helpmates. Instead, we think we can just love someone instead of leading and serving one another. Life is complicated, and no matter how much you love someone, love does not keep marriage together. Most people marry because they are in love. However, anybody who's been divorced will tell you they began their relationship with what they call love. But love didn't hold up. Love didn't keep it together. So what does? In Proverbs chapter 24:3, it says, "By wisdom a house is built, and through understanding it is established. By knowledge its rooms are filled with rare and beautiful treasure." If you're going to have a successful relationship with anybody, you're going to need three things. The first you will need is knowledge. You don't need prayer, you need information. Prayer does not cancel ignorance. So no matter how much I pray for you, it doesn't fix your marriage. You need knowledge. You need principles. You need to understand human nature, and all these things can be learned. The second thing that you need is understanding. Understanding is the comprehension of the knowledge or the information. That means you comprehend all of those things. And number three is wisdom. Wisdom is the application, putting it all together. You cannot apply what you do not understand, and you cannot understand what you do not know.